Blippi.
Hi.
What are we doing today? Are we going to count some monster trucks?
Yes.
Yes? Let's see. I'm gonna roll the monster trucks to you, okay?
Yes.
You ready?
Yes.
Right.
Go.
What number is that?
5.
1. Oh, good job. Okay, roll that.
Go.
What number is that?
2.
2. Good job. Oh, come back. Thank you. Maybe we should sit crisscross applesauce. Would that? Yes. Oh, I like that better. What comes after 2? 3. What number is that, Liz?
3.
You silly goose.
Let's go.
Go. Whoa.
You can't see.
Okay, that was 3. What's next?
7.
Hmm?
7.
Hmm?
8.
We have lost Liz Blippi. She's over there somewhere. So we're gonna have Oliver count the rest of the monster trucks. We have 4 already. What number comes after 4, Oliver?
5.
Good job. 5. Phew. Whoa! It crashed. I kind of messed it up. Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. 5. What comes after 5?
6.
Let's do this one. Pew. What number is that?
6.
6. Go ahead, roll it. Oh, crash. You dig onto my foot, huh?
1, 2, 3, 4,
5. Good. What number is this?
6.
Well done. Okay. Liz has come back. This one's going to Liz. You ready, Liz? Kaboosh. What number is that, Liz? 7. Roll it. Roll it. Roll it. Roll it. Whoa! He crashed. We're gonna put him right over here. Okay. That's 7. What comes after 7, Oliver? 8. Fantastic. Wow. What number is that?
8.
Okay. Roll on back. Go. Oh, that hit my toe. Oh my gosh. That's totally fine though.
You did it.
So, where can number 8 go? Vroom, vroom.
Right here.
I think so. Perfect. Wobble, wobble, wobble. Perfect. 8. Liz, would you like to sit down for the next number? Nope. Okie dokie. Oliver, that will be your turn. Ready? What comes after 8?
9.
9. Awesome. What number is that?
9.
9. Yeah, go ahead, roll them back. Ooh, crash and bash. Number 9. Looking mighty fine.
9 can live right. 9.
Beep, 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 beep. Ooh, mommy can't drive. Number 9. Quite fine. 10. Yay, Blippi Oliver. Woo. What number?
10.
Cool. Go ahead, roll it on back. Wowzers. Was not prepared for that. That went mighty far. Let's go ahead and put that back. Number 10 can live right there.
Can I have a good drive?
You want to drive it?
Yeah.
I suppose. 10. Can we count them? From the beginning, my friend. Let's go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10.
Yeah.
Yay! Okay, what did we say?
Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching.
To do is click on this red subscribe subscribe, it's right there. And then
The subscribe button.
subscribe button.
Yes.
And you can see all of our videos. Bye.
Yes.
Bye.
Translator. Like the video, boop boop, give us a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you share our page and watch all the videos with all of our friends. Bye. Thanks for watching.
Thank